Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a granny Hexagon top. I have made some granny Hexagon here, but I also need some half granny Hexagon. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet this half granny Hexagon. Let's start. The half hexagon is exactly the half of the hexagon. I don't know if this makes sense. So we just need to crochet half of this whole hexagon. Make a magic circle. Chain 3. This is counted as one double crochet. Another double crochet. Chain 1. 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Tighten up the ring. Chain 1 for more secure. Cut off. This is the long 1. Long 2. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn into the first double crochet stitch, which is the 3rd chain. Chain 3. This is counted as one double crochet. Then another double crochet into the same stitch. Now we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 1 space. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then another 2 double crochet, all into this chain 1 space. Now we have another chain 1 space here, so we're going to do the same. 2 double crochets, chain 1, another 2 double crochets. Then we're going to make 2 double crochets into the last double crochet stitch. 1, 2. Then we chain 1 for more secure and cut off. That is long 2. Long 3. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn into the first double crochet stitch, which is chain 3. So attach yarn into the 3rd chain. Chain 3. This is counted as one double crochet. Put another double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into the first space. Two double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, all into this chain 1 space. 1, 2, chain 1, another 2 double crochet stitches, all into this chain 1 space. Then 2 double crochet into this chain space. 1, 2, then 2 double crochets, 顺弯 2 double crochet stitches all into this 顺弯 space. Two double crochets into the next chain space. Two double crochet stitches into the last double crochet stitch. 1, 2. Then chain 1 for more secure. We have finished this half granny hexagon. Hope you like it. See you next time. Thank you very much.